Welcome this video. Landscape smart yard can be both a challenge and opportunity to create a space that is ultimate, functional, appear, words, ultimate, secure fit, mid, scene, it's even create solve that maximize space, integrate vibrant, seamless, and make to make the most of even corner, whether you aim for a choosy upland area for children or a suite for entertainment. Thoughtful design can make a smart yard feel long and most usable than your you mid explode below are some landscape idea that can transform your smart yard into a cozy outdoor oasis. Vertical gardening. Maximize space by go up when hormones space its limited vertical gardening often a perfect solved by use valve or even three design vertical gardening. You can grow or plant with intake up ground space. Vertical gardening are perfect for growing plants like a rose, but then can also be used for hub wick flower plants. This can also add gardening but also textile and bring to other wall and fiber. For a modern look, consider use sleep or wood panel for a vertical gardening switch.